The best products are the products you can sell. But within that universe of products, it's always nice to have products that you can sell more than once to the same customers. Things that are consumables are always great. Things that you can upsell, things that have big margins. While we're talking hypotheticals, let's shoot for the fences. But the best thing is to have something that has a strong connection with your customer, and hopefully that you can maintain a relationship with that customer. Like maybe the sales cycle is longer and they're not getting auto ship every month, but you can still maintain a good partnership. One example that I like to use is Manta sleep masks. You only ever buy one sleep mask, maybe two if you travel, to keep in your bag. And Manta has basically positioned themselves as a company that wants you to have the best sleep possible. And that's how they maintain a relationship with you. So you'll get lots of promotional content regarding how to like have better sleep, environmental stuff. They'll have, when they do the new product launches, they'll say, hey, this particular sleep mask has a cooling component to it. Just various stuff like that. You could almost think of it in the same way that like mattress people would use too, because you don't buy mattresses but once every decade. In the same way that they have a long sales cycle, they just want to make sure that you know that they're in your corner and have the same goals as you do. If you think about your company that way, you can hopefully build a successful brand out of just about anything.